my kids! Welcome to my classroom. This is Miss Sara with you. Today we will learn about letter B. Say good morning to letter B. Good morning, letter B. This is a capital B and this is a small b. Capital B, small b. Now let's make the letter B sound. The sound of letter B is B, 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 B. Repeat after me. B, 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 B. And now we will know some vocab about letter B. Wow! What is this? What's this? Yes, it's a bear. Bear. B, B, bear. Repeat after me. B, B, bear. And what it is? Wow! It's a ball. Ball. B, B, ball. Let's continue. Wow! What's this? Yes, it's a bird. Bird. B, B, bird. B, B, bird. And what's this? Yes, it's a banana. B, B, banana. B, B, banana. Let's revise. B is for bear. B is for ball. B is for bird. B is for banana. B bear. B ball. B bird. B banana. B is for bear. B, B, bear. B is for ball. B, B, ball. B is for bed. B, B, bed. B is for banana. B, B, banana. B is for bear. B, B, bear. B is for ball. B, B, ball. B is for bed. B, B, bed. B is for banana. B, B, banana. B, B, banana. B, B, banana. Here is a tip for you. A bear has a loud sound, but a bird has a soft sound. Soft sound. Loud sound. Soft sound. Thank you. See you later.